Okay, so here we are. Welcome to Shenyang, northeast China, my hometown. Not as famous as Beijing or Shanghai, but trust me, you guys on vibe. This is where the walk begins, just a couple blocks from the Mukden Palace. You will find malls, snack alleys, street stalls, old buildings, and yeah, a few unexpected surprises. And this one is a famous ice cream shop. Every time I come back here, the food scene has changed a little. Fried tofu, grilled squid, stinky tofu, fried food, street snacks, you name it, it's sizzling here. Some of this stall has been here since I was a kid. Others, total TikTok bait. Still worth a bite though. Middle Street, or in Chinese we call it Zhongjie, is one of the oldest commercial streets in China. First built in the Qing dynasty. Now home to Starbucks, McDonald's, KFC, the malls, and teenagers doing dance videos. But if you look past the neon, there's still a texture. Those old shop fronts, little tiled alleys, and hanging lanterns during festivals. After all the street buzz outside, stepping into Joy City Mall feels like flipping into another world. Glass everywhere, polished floor, endless escalators. Everything here is glossy and loud in a quiet way. It's one of those places where you're not really shopping, just walking, watching, soaking in the neon. And yeah, every mall kind of looks the same these days, but somehow this one still feels like different. And then you push past this curtain, and boom, it's like walking into another century. This is the Mukden Palace, built in 1625 by Nurhaci, founder of the Qing dynasty. Basically, Beijing's forbidden city, before Beijing was even the capital. People come here in costume, take photos like it's a movie set, but it's real. It's stone, wood, and time. And somehow, it's still standing right in the middle of the city north, like a giant memory no one can erase. Why that one looks like a zombie. Square. walk just a bit further, you start to see a different layer. Republic of China era buildings, old brick facades, fading signs. These are the ghosts of the 1930s, still holding their ground. So yeah, same street, but different stories depending on which way you look. And this is just the first stop. Next up, we're going deeper. Temples, street food, and a Korean neighborhood you probably didn't expect.